And a few old books, a bit of manual and literature stuff on some blocks, rigging. This is a neat one. It's not a very great book, but it's kind of neat. The Washington Ironworks, the track loader, a little manual on that. And Lawrence Manufacturing, which made yarders, like 1010 Lawrences. And I got the product catalog for Rope Master. I'll just flip through a couple of them here. A little bit dry, you guys, not everybody will like them. But it's just got lots of print. Just talks in general about the machine, what it can do. The drums, the frames, the hoists, the drum shafts, the gears, the friction blocks, blah blah. Anyways, there's two pictures here, you get a sneak preview at them. I'm going to scan them. There's one, looks like late 40s, early 50s, a TL20. And another one here. I'm going to scan them so you get another look at them. This is the one for the Lawrence Manufacturing. These are little gas-powered yarders. Just the parts. The wooden friction blocks. I think they were made out of oak or some type of hardwood. Haulback drum, brakes. Main drums, thrust assemblies, not infinitely fascinating, but kind of neat. This one, Skookum. I got a Skookum haulback block sitting in the driveway. The guy's original card and name still stuck on it. Vancouver. Wedges, steel wedges, pike pole points, spurs, bull hooks, and always a favorite, buy your loading tongs. Fairleads. And all the different pieces and parts they sell for each part of the rigging. There was a lot of stuff went into this back in the olden days. And the high rigger would go up there and he'd rig these trees, use their pass blocks and haul up the big blocks. And all kinds of different parts and pieces. But it's bygone era. A little bit of back rigging goes on back spars and stuff now for some grapple yarding and a little extra lift, but nothing like it used to be. So that's some of the Skookum rigging. And one other one here. Rope Master. This one's kind of neat, and I could scan this if anyone wants. It's got the prices. It goes by each page. Tells you how much, and this is dated 1966. So I've got every item, every shackle, swivel, tongs, every casting they made. Tractor hooks. Pass chains, swivels, clevises. And all the prices. So some of this stuff was expensive then, like hundreds and hundreds of dollars. And a preview of their product lineup. Hooks, tongs, A-frame components, different systems. Good illustrations. Logging system. A little bit of history from the horse and ox, steam donkey, trackside, like Willamette Yarders or Ledgerwoods. right up to the modern cat yarding of the day.